Here it is, the supercar whose design will define the future, the 2027 Lexus LFR. This car's design isn't just about beauty, it's engineered to slice through the air and boost speed. The sharp front fascia, razor-like headlights, and bold spindle grille, everything reflects a vision of tomorrow. Look at the side profile, the low-slung stance, massive air intakes, and carbon fiber body. Every angle screams speed and power. Lexus says every curve of this car is sculpted to guide the air, reducing drag and maximizing downforce. The rear design is no less stunning. A sculpted diffuser, quad exhausts, and an aggressive rear wing. All of these not only keep the car stable at high speeds, but also give it an artistic look. Step inside, and it feels like you're in a fighter jet. A minimalistic cockpit, digital displays, and premium materials. Everything is designed around the driver. The 2027 Lexus LFR isn't just a supercar. It's Lexus making a statement. Design isn't just for looks, it's the ultimate secret to performance. This is the 2027 Lexus LFR, a masterpiece that defines the future of speed and beauty. Call to action. Do you think the Lexus LFR will become the next supercar king? Drop your opinion in the comments. And for more exciting car updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bell.